Hey guys, today I have an unboxing for you. This is from the department store Browns. It is a Saint Laurent bag, as you probably know from the title already. And I just got this delivered, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I just crossed off my name and information, but otherwise the box is still intact. So let me see if I can figure out the best way to unbox this. They did not make this easy. Okay, so it's just the bag in here. So there's the dust bag. Here's just a little flyer from Browns. This is just my return information and invoice. Here is the Browns dust bag. It says brownsfashion.com, consciously 100% recycled. And the Saint Laurent dust bag is in here. Oh, it also says Browns on the bottom here, like that. Oh my God, I was so excited. When I saw that I had an Amex offer at Browns, I immediately went to the website to check to see if they had the bag that I wanted, and they did, so I went ahead and ordered it. Here it is. All right, let me just remove all the stuffing so that you guys can get a better look. This is the Saint Laurent 5 to 7 bag in the black mock croc. I specifically wanted the black mock croc version. A lot of the websites I looked at had the white one and the black one in smooth calfskin, which is really gorgeous, but I just don't have a really nice looking mock croc bag in my collection right now, and I've sort of been wanting that, so I just really love the look of this. It is very a slim line bag, as you can see. It's kind of in that baguette style a little bit. It is open on the top with the exception of this little strap that kind of holds things together, and it is secured by this little YSL clip. The bottom of the L turns into this little hook that you can kind of just like secure on here, so you basically go like that, and then you can open the bag like that, and then to close it, you just insert the L into the hook that way. The top is secured with a adjustable shoulder strap, which is great. So there are a few different settings and you can kind of adjust the fit, but it's only just gonna be a shoulder bag. So it's just gonna fit under the crook of your arm like this. You can obviously hold this handheld and on your elbow, but it's not going to be a crossbody bag, if that makes sense. It's purely a shoulder bag. And the inside has a suede lining. It does say Saint Laurent Paris on the inside, made in Italy, and it does have a zippered pocket in the back. Here is the care booklet. You guys, it smells so good. It smells like brand new. It just has that delicious, leathery, new smell to it, which I love. And let's see what fits really quickly. So, here is my long Prada wallet. It does fit, as you can see. And I'm filming with my phone, but here's my phone case. And what else could I put in here? I could put a lipstick in, a hand sanitizer, my keys. And it's starting to get a little bit full, as you can see, but I think it'll close. Yeah, so it will definitely close like that. You probably wouldn't be able to carry a mini pochette along with a long wallet, but here's what I'm gonna do. If I take my long wallet out and just put my essential cards in here in a slim card case so you can see how thin this is, I think I can also fit my mini pochette. So that's how it would look when you take out the long wallet and you instead put the slim card case and the mini pochette in there. And it closes and fits perfectly. I just think this is going to be a really cute little bag. I love the textured mock crocness of it. I think it's going to hide any sort of scratches and some wear a little bit better than the smooth leather would, which is another reason why I want to get the mock croc version. Yeah, so just a quick little unboxing and a very, very quick first impressions. I have to say, I love this bag so far. I can't wait to use it. The more and more I look at it, the more and more I love it. I think it's going to be a great little going out to dinner bag, going to a bar with my friends bag, and I think it's just going to be perfect, especially for, you know, fall and winter. I think this is going to go amazing with lots of different outfits and just look really, really good. So yeah, that is the very, very quick first impressions and unboxing of my new Saint Laurent 5 to 7 bag. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would subscribe to my channel, I'd really, really appreciate it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.